On our next slide, we're looking at comparative advantage. Who has the comparative advantage at cooking and cleaning? If we go back up to our definition, comparative advantage is the ability to do a task at a lower opportunity cost. That is, giving up the opportunity to do less other stuff means that we have a comparative advantage at doing that thing. Okay, so how can we look at that? Well, comparative advantage means we have to calculate the opportunity cost. It means we have to figure out what we could have done with the time it took us to do this thing. Okay, so let's go back to what we know here. It takes Jim 10 minutes to make a meal. How many rooms does he give up when he makes a meal? Well, it takes him 10 minutes to make that meal. In 10 minutes, he could have only cleaned half a room, right? Because it takes him 20 minutes to clean a whole room, it must take him 10 minutes to clean half a room. On this slide, we're given a formula to calculate the opportunity cost. The time this task takes, well, it takes him 10 minutes to cook a meal. So the opportunity cost of cooking a meal is 10 minutes, the time it takes to cook a meal, divided by 20 minutes, the time it takes to clean a room. And this is 1/2 the same answer that we got by looking at our data here and saying in the 10 minutes it takes him to cook a meal, he could have cleaned half a room. Okay, so now we're looking to get the comparative advantage here. Who gives up cleaning fewer rooms in order to cook a meal? Well, Jim gives up cleaning half a room. What about Jane? Well, Jane takes 30 minutes to do either task, so in the time it takes her to cook one meal, she could have cleaned one room. So here her opportunity cost is 1. Jim then has the lower opportunity cost, so we say Jim has the comparative advantage at cooking. Okay, what about cleaning? So for cleaning, we're going to have to flip this, right? The opportunity cost of cleaning now is the time this task takes. For Jim, that's 20 minutes, divided by the time to produce the alternative output. To cook a meal took him 10 minutes. So his opportunity cost now is 2 meals to clean a room. If we go back to our numbers here, in the 20 minutes it takes him to clean a room, he could have cooked 2 meals. His opportunity cost of cleaning a room is 2 meals. Jane, on the other hand, in the time it takes her to clean one room, could have cooked 1 meal, so she's got the lower opportunity cost of cleaning. Jane only gives up cooking 1 meal in order to clean a room. She has a comparative advantage at cleaning.